In mathematics, a sequence is a list of objects. It can be numbers, letters, names, etc. For example, 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8. This is a list of first four even numbers. The members of a sequence are known as terms or elements of the sequence. So here the first term is 2. So I can say T1, second term T2, third term T3, fourth term T4. They are also written as A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. A sequence can be finite or infinite. If it has countable number of terms, like in this case 2, 4, 6, and 8, so there are only 4 terms, this is a finite sequence. And if we say all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, this is an infinite sequence.